friends, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Tether XLM cryptocurrencies. So friends, if you like my price prediction, so please kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of Tether XLM. What's going in the Tether XLM in the last to 1 hour. As you can see here, the last 1 hour result of Tether XLM in a cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the change is a negative 0.12% change in a Tether XLM in a previous 1 hour. As you can see here, last 1 hour change of Tether XLM as negative 0.12% is a change in negative. In the high price in the last 1 hour of Tether XLM crypto is $0.381574 is the high price of Tether XLM in the last previous 1 hour. If we can see the chart analysis of Tether XLM cryptocurrency, so currently they are in neutral. As you can see here, they are neutral. They are not going upward and not downward, as you can see here. So my suggestion, they are going upward, inshallah. So kindly my suggestion is to buy a Tether XLM and make a good profit. My suggestion is, please share your opinion. What's the best time? Is it a best time to buy or sell Tether XLM cryptocurrencies? Please share your opinion in a comment box. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 2 hours. What's going in the market of last 2 hours of which in cryptocurrencies? It's loading, so kindly please subscribe my channel. As you can see here, the last previous 2 hours is a very bad for all Tether XLM holders. As you can see here, their fall start in the previous 2 hours. Falls down continuously, and the middle of this hour they start jumping upward, as you can see here. And now they are a small jump and small dump in the last hour, as you can see here. But unfortunately, currently they are falling down, as you can see here. So that's the live price prediction of Tether XLM in the last 2 hours. Kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies and especially Tether XLM updates.